Bafethu, now that Kaizer Chiefs igqibile preseason yayo in the Netherlands, this guy has been subject of critics. I fear for this striker, Flavio Silva, because since game one he's been criticized, and I wish for his sake that he's mentally fit to handle the pressure and the critics from Kaizer Chiefs fans, because Kaizer Chiefs is a big club. Their fans are demanding, and I also fear for his confidence yake, because ever since Naledi Hlongwane scored that goal, he's been compared to him, the young Naledi Hlongwane. And the worst thing is that he's being compared to Kaizer Chiefs worst strikers also, yabo. So I really feel for this guy. Maybe he's still adjusting. So sombona at the igame ngoxesha. But being criticized within 5 games of preseason now, how much more for 10 months of football? Yo. And where he comes from in the Indonesia, he used to enjoy his football. And now to Kaizer Chiefs, the way things are, it's not promising. I says we vote.